Okay, the last part that we need to worry about is the air scoop. Notice there is a 3x3 square, and then we're going to extend it out 1/8 of an inch on both directions on the top and 3/8 of an inch in both directions on the bottom. Okay, so I already have this line drawn right here, so we might as well make use of that. And I'm going to grab my ruler and line up the 0, and I'm going to come down 3 inches. Again, I'll do the same thing here. Line it up and come down 3 inches. Okay, I want to make sure that I have enough room. So if I go 3 inches starting with 7, that'll bring me down to 4. Okay, so I'm going to line it up right here on the 7 and, whoops, line it up and draw a straight line for 3 inches. Okay, since this line is already straight, all I should need to do now is draw my 2 sides. There's one, and I'm just trying to line it up evenly. And here's my second. Let's just check our measurement. We are 3 inches by 3 inches. Perfect. Okay, so on my sketch, this is a fold line. So I'm going to take my eraser and I'm just going to erase and make this into a dotted line. Okay, the next part is the trickiest part of measuring because I need to measure 2 very small measurements, 1/8 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch. So I'm just going to line this up on an inch. I could do the 0, but I'm going to line it up on 4 inches, and I'm going to come over 1/8 of an inch. So I know this is 1/2 of an inch. 1/2 of a half is 1/4. This is 1/4 of an inch. 1/2 of 1/4 is 1/8. So I'm going to put a little dot there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to come over. Oops, let's just make sure that's lined up properly. I'm going to come over 1/8 of an inch. Okay, on the bottom, let's line that up. I'm going to come over 1, 2, 3/8. So I'm just going to put a little dot there. Oops, my lead is running out. Put a little dot there. And lining this up at the 1, I'm just going to come over to the left, 1, 2, 3/8 right here. And I'm going to extend this line oops, my ruler just moved, so I just have to be a little bit more careful. Okay, so I'm going to come out 3/8 of an inch, and then I'm going to take this end point and this end point, and I'm going to draw a solid cut line. So I'm going to draw a cut line here, and then I'll turn my paper over, and I'm going to draw a cut line right here. Okay, at this point I have my plan. I should check all my measurements against my paper instructions, and once I'm satisfied that I have everything, I'm going to decorate. You're going to decorate the main body panel and the 2 fins. The air scoop goes underneath, so you don't need to decorate that.